With installing these door switches on the Jeep TJ, there's a little bit of a trick that I just figured out. And most of the time I see people using a socket and just banging it in there. And I think that's part of the reason why these tend to break pretty easily. And I ended up getting the Mopar ones, and they come like this. See how they are separated in that spot right there? So if you get one and it's all connected like this one is, what you need to do is use something to pry this open. And then what you'll do, and I'll show you this in a second, is you'll put it in when it's like this, and then you just push these two pieces together, and it's easy. Like, you don't have to bang anything. Nothing is kind of likely to break here. It's just put it in there, and then after that, then you just close the door, and that should set it. So let me show you. All right. So once you have it connected and everything, you have the old one out, just slide it in. See how, again, this is separated? Then you kind of just push that in like that, and then you push this piece in like that. And now it's in. Easy, easy peasy. And then what you do is just close it. And you will get to this point where it has some resistance. You do just kind of push through that. And then now it's set to the right spot and everything's good. I had this issue. So I bought these ones that are knockoff ones on Amazon, and they broke, and they sent me a replacement. But I think part of the reason they broke is just because I installed them wrong, because I was using the socket method and hammering it in. And I ended up getting these Mopar ones, and they seem better and everything, but these probably would have lasted longer if I installed them correctly. So wanted to hopefully help you guys. Let me know if this works for you.